So today's topic is going to be commission and taxation. Okay. So the second chapter of class 9 math book. Okay. So that will be the commission and taxation. So in case of commission and taxation, so commission means so whenever you go for shopping or something else, okay. So if you are not willing to go and this your baba will say or your mom will say, I'll give you commission. If you go there, I'll give you commission. Then what you'll do? You'll go there and you'll take 5 rupees, 10 rupees, otherwise 5 to 10 rupees cost called the so nothing will come. I think so 10, 50 rupees you will do it. Okay, so that is a commission. Okay, but in ordinary language, okay, so in the real term, so this commission, okay, so in commission, so whenever we do sales, okay, so हामीले केही कुरा बेच्छौँ. So in the departmental store भयो, okay, so sometimes I think you in your home, okay, some people will come carrying some bags, okay, so they carry the watches, otherwise they will carry some medicine, shampoo or something else, okay, so you're kindling enough, so they will say. And so so they says that they have come from Kathmandu or somewhere else, but they are from Dharan itself. Okay, so uh, different type of product they sales. Okay, so त्यसरी तिमीहरूको sell गर्छ, and when they sell it in this way, then what they will get? They will get a commission. Okay, so how much you have sold, how much price amount you have sold. If you will sell of 10,000 rupees, then you will get some commission. Okay, so जति धेरै सेल गर्नु सक्यो, जति अमाउन्टको सेल गर्नु सक्यो, त्यति नै धेरै you are going to get the commission also. Okay, so 1 lakh rupees sales गर्यो भने you are going to get 10,000 rupees commission, or the 1,500 rupees condition so commission or something else. Okay, so whenever you sell more amount, जति धेरै बेच्नु सक्यो त्यति नै धेरै कमिसन आउँछ. Why we are getting so many commissions, so many commissions when you sell the big amount? Because that will be the profit for the company also. Okay, so company लाई फाइदा हुन्छ. When it becomes profit for the company, then you are also going to get the benefited by that one. Okay, so you are also going to get the commission from that thing. Okay, so let us go to the formula over here, commission and taxation. So formula of this one, commission. So let us learn the commission first. Okay, so today we will learn commission only. So tomorrow we'll go for the taxation. So commission amount equals to commission percentage of sales amount. Of means into a commission percentage of sales amount. That means how much commission you are going to get. मेरो commission कति हुन्छ त भने so some commission amount will be given to you all. Okay, so suppose मैले I'm going to sell some house. Okay, I'm dalal over here. So if I sold anyone's home, okay, then what I'll get a commission. Correct? That means when if I sell something, कति रुपियाँको सेल गरे त 50 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh, okay, 1 crore, 2 crore को कति रुपियाँको सेल गरेछ. So how much amount I have sold it. Okay, so कति amount को मैले सेल गरेको छु. So त्यही अनुसारको I'm going to get the commission also. Okay, so commission percentage, suppose 10% is the commission amount, then I'm going to get more. If the commission percentage is 5%, I'm going to get little less. If commission amount is commission percentage is 15%, I'm going to get more commission. Okay, from this one. So that's why this is the formula. Commission amount equals to commission percentage of sales amount. Commission percentage of sales amount. Okay, so next one is, what is the formula of commission percentage? Commission percentage. Okay, yeah. So from here, from the first formula itself, we can create the formula. Commission amount equals to commission percentage of sales amount. Okay. If we want the formula of commission percentage का formula चाहिने हो भने, then what we need to do? Take this off. Off means what? Off means multiply. Okay. So take this multiply this side. So multiplies goes this side in the form of divide sign. Okay, off becomes divide. So commission amount divided by sales amount into, so it is percentage, so we need to multiply by 100%. So into 100%. This percentage means divide by 100. Into 100%. Any problem? So if you can memorize this formula, commission amount equals to commission percentage of sales amount, then others formula can be created. Okay, so from the same first formula we can create this formula also. So next thing is okay, suppose sometimes what will happen. So in some of the condition, what is also going taking place is that so there will be the basic salary, okay, for the sales portion. Suppose if I say that, if I'll say that I'm the salesman, okay, my basic salary, if I sell something or if I don't something, okay, मैले त अलिकति बेसिक स्यालेरी त पाउनु पर्यो नि त. If I sell also, if I don't sell also, my salary is 20,000. Okay, suppose my salary is 20,000. Now if I sell more amount, okay, जति धेरै सेल गर्छु, then what I'll get commission also. I'll get commission also. 20,000 is my basic salary, okay, plus commission amount means अब कति सेल गर्छ त. Okay, so how much I sell it? So 20 lakhs I sold or 30 lakhs I sold. Okay, so कति रुपियाँ मैले सेल गर्ने हो त. So जति सेल गरेँ त्यति नै धेरै commission amount. Okay, so if I sell more amount, that means 5 lakhs rupees, then if suppose 5 lakh को कति commission, 5,000 commission are. Okay, so I'll get 5,000 as commission. That means what will be my total salary then? 20,000 plus what is the commission amount? 5,000. That means 20,000 plus 5,000, I'm going to get 25,000. If I get the commission of 1 lakh, okay, basic salary is 20,000 and commission I got the commission as 1 lakh. Okay, then so 20,000 plus 1 lakh, I got 1 lakh 20,000. That means more you sell, okay, so for the sales portion, more you sell that thing in the market, more you'll get the commission, and more you get the commission, more will be your salary. Okay, so condition पनि हुन्छ in some of the departmental store or in some of the cases. Insurance company also the same thing is there. If you make the more customers, you are going to get the more salary. Okay, so more commission is more salary will be there. Okay, so these are the formula of your chapter. Okay, so commission. So commission amount, commission percentage, total salary. Okay, these are your formula. Okay, so tax we'll learn tomorrow. So this topic. So let us learn commission today. So let us go to the topic. Okay, this is your question. Copy the question. Question number one. Commission percentage equals to 10 percentage. Sales amount is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is the commission amount. Sorry, sales amount. Okay, I sold the item, I sold anything of 1,50,000. Then tell me what will be the commission amount. What was the formula of commission amount? Commission amount equals to commission percentage of sales amount. Okay, commission percentage of sales amount. So let us use the formula. So commission amount equals to, what is the formula? What is the value of commission amount? Sorry, commission percentage, it is 10 percentage. 10 percentage of means into what is the sales amount? 1,50,000. Okay. Okay. Now after that, so 10% means 10 divided by 100. So it is going to be 10 divided by 100. So into, let's copy this one, copy and paste. Okay. So 10 divided by 100 into 1,50,000 equals to. So what will happen? So this 0 and 0 will be cancelled. Okay, so 0 0. So two zeros and two zeros will be cancelled. Otherwise, you can cancel 1 0 over here, 1 0 over here, 1 0 over here, 1 0 over here. So what is the amount? The answer is going to be 1 5 15,000. Okay, so 15,000 is our answer. If the commission amount commission portion will be 10 percentage and sales amount will be 1,50,000. Then how much commission we are going to get? I'm going to get the commission of 15,000 rupees. Okay. So in this way you need to calculate. Any problem? Is there any problem? Okay, let me go to the next question then. Please turn on your videos, all of you. Who is this Mr. Cricket? So commission amount is 3,000, sales amount is 1,50,000. Okay, so commission percentage we don't know, that we need to find out. So commission amount, sorry, commission percentage equals to commission amount by sales amount into 100 percentage. Hmm. So what is the value of commission amount? Commission amount means 3,000 rupees divided by sales amount is 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, so three zeros will be cancelled here, three zeros will be cancelled here, three zeros will be cancelled. So one zero will be cancelled here, one zero will be cancelled here. Okay, and 15, three ones are three, three fives are 15. So five is left, so five to the 10. So 10 2 will be the answer. 2% will be the answer. So already 25 minutes has passed, and Lucky something the name called Lucky has come. So I'm not going to accept now. Okay, so next number. Let us go to the next number.
Okay, go.
Okay, let us go to the next number. Okay, so salesman. A theoretical question is there. Let me hide this one first. Okay. Now tell me, in this question, what is said over here? A salesman working in a departmental shop has the basic salary of 1,50,000. Sorry, not 1,50,000. It is 15,000. So what is this 15,000? Hello. Look at here. So we are going to the third formula. Total salary cost to basic salary plus commission amount. Okay, so total salary cost to basic amount, basic salary plus total commission amount. So what is this? 15,000. Hmm? What is this 15,000? It is basic salary.
Blah 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 blah.
Okay, it is the basic salary, and he gets an additional income as a commission. Okay, so commission is also added over here. So not only basic salary you are going to get 15,000 matra, you are going to get the additional commission also. Okay, जति धेरै पिच्यो त्यति नै धेरै commission also you are going to get it. How much percentage? 5 percentage. Okay, so a little bit I have missed over here. We sold the total of rupees 20 lakhs. Okay, let him sell of 20 lakhs. Then tell me what will be the commission amount. Okay, so not only commission amount, total salary are he is going to get it. Okay, total income. What was the formula of total income? If there is basic salary also then. Okay, so look at here. So commission amount equals to is this one. Okay. So commission amount. Is there commission amount given? Commission amount is not given. Instead of commission amount, okay. So commission percentage is given. So what is the commission percentage? What is the commission percentage?
5.
5%.
5%.
Five.
And what is the sales amount? How much you have sold?
20.
20 lakh
20
rupees.
lakh.
Okay,
2 lakhs.
it is
20
20
lakh.
lakhs, my dear. So first of all, let us find out the. Let us
2
find out.
lakhs.
So let us find out the commission amount first. Okay, so first of all, let us find out the commission amount. Okay, so what is the formula of commission amount? Commission amount equals to, what is the formula of commission amount? Commission percentage of sales amount. So commission percentage is how much? 5% of, what is the sales amount? What is the sales? 20,000. So 20 lakhs rupees. So it will be 5 divided by 100. 5 percentage means 5 divided by 100. Okay, because it is percentage. Right? So if it is 15%, 15 divided by 100, I think you know it. And off means into. So 20 lakh rupees. So cancel them, how much will get? So 0 0 will be cancelled. So two zeros here also, let us cancel two zeros over here. So 5 to the 5 to the 10 and 1 2 3 zeros are there. That means let us add 3 more zeros. That means what is the amount he's going to get as commission amount? 10,000 rupees.
10,000.
Okay, so 10,000 rupees. Now, so let us use the main formula for this topic. Okay, so called total salary. What will be the value of total salary? Let us write down again also over here. Again, okay. Again, total salary cost to.
Sir, on the screenshot है क्या?
So again, total salary will be equal to. So basic salary. What is the basic salary? What is the basic salary? It was 15,000 rupees. Okay. Plus, what is the commission amount he has got? कति रुपियाँ कमिसन पायो अहिले 10,000 rupees. That means altogether he is going to get, so 15,000 plus 10,000, 15,000 plus 10,000 is going to be 25,000. Okay, so this is the total amount he's going to get it. So if he sells or do not sell anything, okay, if there is holiday something, so then also he is going to get something. That means basic salary is going to get 15,000 rupees. Pounds slay. Beachos, no beachos, okay, anything he does. So he's going to get 15,000 rupees. Plus, if he sells more item, okay, जति धेरै सेल गर्यो त्यति नै धेरै कमिसन पाउँछ. Like if you sell more television, okay, so television costing, so what the salesperson will say, this television is so good, okay, comparison to the next brand, our television is so good. Or if you go to the next shop, they will say the same thing. Okay, why they are saying this thing? Because they are motivating you to buy that goods. Okay, so television किन्यो भने तिनीहरूलाई फाइदा हो, जति धेरै सेल गर्छ त्यति नै तिनीहरूलाई फाइदा हो. So they will show you the product which is little bit costly, 5,000, 10,000 rupees costly. Suppose if you are going to purchase something, okay, so they will ask you how much amount we are going to buy. Okay, so you are obviously going to say a little bit less than what you have got in the pocket. Okay, suppose if you say that I want the television of 20,000 rupees, then what they will do, so they will show you the price television of 20,000 rupees. But at last what they will also say you, if you buy this television of 25,000 rupees, there is additional more features. ओके, अब एडिसनल मोर फिचर्स भनेपछि तिमीहरूको दिमागमा के आउँछ, ए 5,000 मात्रै एडिसनल आउँदाखेरि you will get the additional benefit from the television. Then what they will do, they are bound to buy the television. Okay, 5,000 rupees additional layer थपेर then they will buy the television. Okay, so that is the sales, that is the selling marketing policies. Okay, salesmen policies are working on it. So that is very good. Okay, so this television has so many features. You can play from your Android mobile. So also the software mobile body also. Okay, so there is a very good repairing parts also. They will say the same thing. Okay, so that they can sell it in the market and they will get the commission from that one. So that's why. So that's why they will say they tries to sell as of bigger amount than the lesser amount. Okay, so जति धेरै सेल्सको तिनीहरूले सेल गर्नु पाउँछ त्यति नै तिनीहरूले कमिसन धेरै पाउँछ. And if they will get more commission, then their salary is also going to be increased. Okay, so that's why they tries to sell you off a higher price than the lower price. थोरै price भन्दा higher price नै बेच्ने कोसिस गर्छ तिनीहरू. Okay, so basic salary plus commission amount. So get the commission amount first. High percentage of 20,000. Okay, so 20 lakhs rupees. Then commission amount will be 10,000. Basic salary I have not written over here. You need to write on over here also. If I forgot here to write on basic salary. Basic salary. Basic salary was rupees 15,000. 15,000 rupees. Okay, and commission amount निकाला अनि अर्को total salary also you need to find out, equals to question mark. Okay, so in this way we need to find out our answers. If there's any problem you can ask me. Is there any problem? So I'll share you the homeworks. Okay, so if you have already copied, I'll share you the homeworks. Okay, I am preparing it, so within 5 to 10 minutes I'll give you the homework and please submit it. Okay, in the Facebook, in the messenger group, in your group. Okay, so do number one and number three right now. Number one and number three. Number one and number three. Please do it right now.